Hey guys, and welcome to Ivy's Coupon Camp. And today this is day 2 of our Halloween DIY 31 day. So let's get started. Today, as you saw in the picture, yes, we're making a chandelier. So this is the things that you'll need. You'll need for this project. You'll need zip tie, some pipe cleaners. I don't know why yet. You'll also need a spider, whatever decorations you want to decorate to make this look scary. That's what you'll need. Like I got some skulls, a flying lady, chains, lights that light up. These are bowls. You'll need paint, glue. This is my E6000 glue. I keep it in here to keep it from going dry, wet on me. There we go. That's the E6000 glue. Okay. So, first of all, we get started by painting these with this twice. I'm running out. So, we'll just start by just dapping. Dapping. Acrylic cup, a white styrofoam cup would have probably worked better, but we don't want to go too expensive. I work with what I had here at the house. Also, let's drop red paint. And we want to kind of just seal it, you know, make it some colors. We want to make blood, basically. We're making blood. And then you're going to let that dry and you're going to put a second coat on it. That's what you're going to do. And after they dry down, you should have something that look like this. All beat up looking. That's what your object is. You want them to look beat up. And you have 4 of them, okay? So let's just put these right here. We'll leave them in the box and put them there. Next, what you want to do is, simple project, guys. We're going to cut some squares out of these little things. That's all we're going to do is cut them out. Okay, so we're going to cut these square spots out of here so we can have, that's all you're going to do. Kind of small. Cut them out in different spots. Yeah, I'm left-handed, so I know stuff kind of look backwards to a lot of people. Oh, you look backwards. Okay, put one down here with the spider. Wherever basically you want to cut it out at. Cut it out, okay? And that way you can get it together. Okay, so now that we got the holes cut out, all in these different spots, then what we're going to do now is take the spider, the skull heads, and you're going to stick them in these holes. You want to stick them so that they won't fall through. So maybe I didn't cut it big enough. Okay. So you want to kind of stick them there. Yay! So, let's do a couple at a time. And I think I need to cut an extra spot out. So you got to glue them down, guys. So, as you can see, I had to cut a second spot out. So just cut a second spot out so it'll be wide enough that the skull could sit down in there. That's the object of it, okay? Some of them I did cut 2 spots, so I guess my brain did tell me you need 2 spots, but my hands didn't do that. So let's just cut those. My scissors gonna be ruined after this, but that's okay. Okay. So the object is for them to sit down in the bowl like that. Okay? And you want to try and do, and this is what I do. Glue working. Okay, there it is. Glue them. It's because it looks like it could sit on the mouth part. So let's put glue in the mouth part right here. Then sit it on that. See? So let's do that. And then we'll get to the rest of them. Okay guys, so now that our little web is done, our bowl with our skulls in it is completed. Of course, my spider bench that I'm on this time, this Halloween, and I don't even like spiders. Okay, we're gonna take a couple of spiders and just glue them. It's all about under the chandelier. That's what it's about. So it's about what you put under the chandelier. Okay, some of these little heads is not dry all the way. So you will see me adjusting them. Okay, but I'm going to put a spider there. Okay, you want to just adjust it and put the spiders so they could be visible just like you do the skulls. Okay. Okay, now that our bowl is dry, we're going to take the bowl and all the stuff on it, because now it's hard to sit it down because of the things are hanging out. So here's our bowl of cups. We'll move those, put them all there, and just sit this down in there like that, okay? Next, you need this, the webbing. Do y'all like messing with this stuff? I love it, but it can get everywhere on you. So we want to just scratch it, give it all kind of, you know, like scratch it as far as you can scratch it. Put it in your bowl. Put it in here. Open it up, kind of let it get caught on stuff, on everything, especially the stuff outside of it. But I need the webbing to hide the lights. So that's why we're going to use more webbing. Okay. The webbing hides the lights. Okay. So all the webbing, you're going to make sure that's around good. Then I wasn't even power strong enough to pull the stuff loose. That's how strong this stuff is. So kind of go around your bowl with the webbing. Okay, there we go. Christmas lights. When you plug them in, they light up. See? They light up, guys. Now, you're going to actually take the lights and stick them down in the thing. Stick them through the webbing and all. If you stick them through the webbing and all, they'll go through just fine and be kind of hidden. That's what your goal is. You want them to be kind of hidden, right? So there we go. Push it through. Then just push it through with it. So you're going to go all the way around like this. All the way. Okay. Oh, that was kind of too far away. So it's not, that's the only thing, that's what I love about Halloween decorations. It's not a neat job. It's not neat at all. You can literally do this just as sloppy as you want it to. Just as long as you get the aesthetic of what you're doing correctly. So let's get that done. Now that's down in the bowl, you're going to take more of this. And it's the purpose for us using more of this stuff that's everywhere. You're going to take more and you're going to put it over the top again. Now, see that? That's what you're going to do. And it's a purpose to, it's a method to our madness. You know, crafters always got a method to why they did something mad, right? So it's a method to it. Just hold on. Now let's get our chains, which these are plastic. Everything over here is from Dollar Tree except her. And I don't even think I'm going to use the little baby girl or whatever that is. So I don't know. But I just gathered up supply stuff I thought I would need. Stick these, see that? Go right through the cauldron, the bowl. I'm thinking about my next project, guys. Okay. This side go over here. Okay, got one side. One more. Now you know your this chandeliers have the basic two parts, the chains to it, right? There you go. And then this is the other side. Okay. All right. We're not finished. That's cute. Yay. Okay. Our bowls. See? So each one, this are cups. This is going to be a part of, that's not going to be lit. I don't want to start a fire. So you're going to take all 4 of the cups that you painted. Just position them and get them in a right spot that you could get them in. Then, of course, go back to our glue. Because this don't take no time. You're going to just basically glue the edges of this down. Glue it down like that. And stick it. Once you stick this onto this cotton, you're done. Because that is not coming up. It's not coming up. It'll go everywhere, but it's not going to come up, okay? So you just basically want to get it in a good position. My 31 days of Halloween, they going to start getting a little one. I got an outside project we're going to do, and it is fantastic. Like, I've been waiting to do this project because I've done it years and years ago. So, can't wait to do that one. So, just basically, those are your fake candles. I don't want to use any real candles at this point because I'm doing some things outside that need to be done with candles. We're going to take some pipe cleaners. This is what we're going to do with the pipe cleaners. Basically, attach it to one of these. Because what it is we have to hang the light somewhere. But I don't want this to be hanging too far down. So I'm going to just attach it to one of these lights. One of the chains. Okay? And then wrap it down. That's all I'm going to do. And then that might look a little sloppy, so if I don't like it, I might remove that. Okay, guys? Give me a couple of minutes to look at it and see what I want to do with it. Okay, so now that we have that in place, and I know where I want it, I'm going to put glue on this spider somewhere. I'm looking for a flat spot, but I don't know where I'm going to find it at. So I'll just rather glue a couple of spots and see if one of them catch to something. I want to take one of these cauldrons. Maybe I have that. And I want it to sit on the chain. So that's going to have to dry a minute. As you all know that E6000 is some real picky glue. So we need to let that sit there so it can dry. Okay. So let's just let it, I'll have to let it do something. Okay, I have, so I just took the bats, guys, and kind of embellished it with different stuff because you just want to sit on the thing. And like I said, this E6000 don't stick to nothing. It takes its time about sticking. So let me see if I can raise it up and see where it's at so far. And I hope you all want to do some of these projects. Okay. So far, that's where we're at. My granddaughter's here. She looking like, oh my God. Okay. That's it. So you're just basically embellishing it. Then you're going to take any type of like spider webbing, anything, and my object was for it to be purple. So that's why you see purple. Even though green is my favorite color, I just had like tons of purple stuff. So that's why it turned out to be purple, guys. You want to just get it so it can look spooky and like spider webby and stuff all over the place. That's how you want to get it, okay? So let's just, that's about it with that. And let me make sure it's not, because it's holding crooked to me, but I already know what it is. I have to fix that. Oh, okay. Right there. There. That's how it looks. Ah, see that? I need to wait until these things dry because I don't want it to keep tying apart, okay? So, there you go. Then we're going to hang some stuff down, and this easy DIY project will be finished and complete. And then I will light it and show you the end product. Okay, guys, so I am literally in my washroom, and I finished my DIY witch's cauldron. Like, now I just have a witch's chandelier. I'm into the witch thing this year. So you see all of this. There's the spider in there. It's just the cups. That's just to give it an aesthetic. And it look like old candles. The lights are under there. Look it up under the bottom. Oh my goodness, look at that. Then I even got some stuff going down the light because I already knew that the light, that's going to be somewhere else, but we okay. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this DIY. If you did, please tune in and hit like, subscribe, drop me a comment and let me know if you want to see more DIYs, because this is day two of the Halloween 31 days of DIYs. Bye.